example number 1, we have here x minus y is greater than 0. Okay? So what are we going to do to get first the boundary line? Kung paano natin siya ipa-plot dito, paano natin mahanap yung boundary line, is we are gonna use the slope-intercept form. Or the other way around, just find the intercept of x and y. Pero, para sa akin, mas madali ang slope-intercept form gamitin. Okay? So, we have here y is equal to mx plus b. Naalala nyo pa ba to? Wherein m is the slope or the rise over run. And b, itong b, is the y-intercept or magiging 0 and beyond. So, pwede natin niyang gamitin, slope-intercept form, para mahanap natin kung paano natin siya mag-graph dito. Okay, so panoodin niyo lang ito mga bunso, and don't worry, i-discuss ko siya ng maayos para sa inyo. Since we have x minus 1 is greater than 0, what are we going to do is, syempre, gawin natin siyang in a slope-intercept form. So, para saan ba yung slope-intercept form? Diba, ginagamit niyan natin when we are going to draw a line. Okay, kaya kailangan natin gawin siya like this. And before that, kailangan natin siyang isolve. And as you can see, we have x minus y. And ang ating y is may kasama pa siyang x. Dapat ay ganito yung pinaka-itsura na gagawin natin. Ang gagawin lang natin is, of course, iwanan natin dito si negative y. Kunin natin yan, negative y. And then greater than, dahil si x, ito, ay dapat nandito siya sa kabila ng ating inequality or equal sign. Ilagay lang natin siya dito. Then what are we going to do is, of course, to just transpose x or use addition property of equality. Okay? So, since si x ay positive dito, kapag nilipat natin siya sa kabila, is magiging, of course, negative. Magpapalit ng sign. Okay? Palagi niyong tandaan. So, we have negative x. And then si 0, dahil meron tayong 0 dito, of course, plus 0 yan. Okay? Ayan. Pero dahil 0 na siya, hindi na natin siya kailangan pang ilagay. Therefore, meron tayong negative y is greater than negative x. Okay? So, kapag ganito yung situation, mga bunso, as you can see, dapat ay positive si y. Ang gagawin natin dito is, of course, to eliminate negative sign. How are we going to eliminate? To eliminate negative sign, what are we going to do is to divide both sides by a negative 1. Okay? Divide natin yan by negative 1. Ayan. Okay. And then right after that, ito palagi nyo tatandaan, whenever na magsasolve kayo or magdi-divide kayo ng inequalities, into any negative numbers, you are going to flip the inequality sign. Okay? So, for example, ito, dinivide natin to sa negative 1. So, cancel mo yan. Negative, negative. Y na lang yung natira, di ba? So, itong greater than, magiging less than. Kasi, nag-divide tayo in negative numbers. Okay? So, and then, cancel na din ito. And then, x na lang yung natira. Therefore, we have y is less than x. And ito na yung bago nating inequality. Pero ito, same pa rin sila nito, di ba? Basta palagi nyo tatandaan whenever na magdi-divide kayo ng any negative number sa inequality. Inequality, okay? Is, if-flip nyo lang yung inequality sign, okay? Then right after that, dapat siya ay maging ganito, enable for us to draw a line. Kasi kapag ganito, hindi pa siya line. We're not talking about line kapag inequality yung pinag-uusapan. So, gagawin natin siyang ganito. How? Ang gagawin lang natin is papalitan lang natin itong inequality into equal sign. So, meron na tayong y is equal to x. So, to get m, ayan, alin ba ang m natin? Ito. Itong may kasamang x. So, itong x automatic meron niyang 1. Okay? So, di ba meron tayong tinatawag na rise over run. So, dapat ay fraction to. Since ito ay 1, automatic meron na kayong numerator. And kapag wala siyang nakalagay or hindi siya fraction, automatic lalagyan nyo yan ng over 1. 1 over 1. And then, yung inyong b. B represents y-intercept. So, that is, automatic lagi yung 0 ang una. Since 0 din siya, 0 yung b, So, automatic, 0, 0 yan. Okay? Then, right after that, you are going to graph. Pag mag-graph kayo ng slope-intercept form, palagi nyo lang tatandaan yung rise over run. So, we have here 0, 0. So, nasan ba ang ating 0, 0? Automatic na dito siya sa center. So, ilagay nyo lang yan dyan. Gamit tayo ng blue. So, ilagay natin yung 0, 0. Ayan. Dahil ang ating rise dito ay itong numerator and ito yung run. When we say rise, pataas or pababa. Ang andar from the center or from the y-intercept. Okay? Or disordered pair. So, dahil ang rise niya ay 1 and 1 is positive, therefore, pataas tayo. We have, from dito sa center, akyat ka ng isa. So, nandito ka na. Tama? Kapag naman negative yan, from the center, baba ka ng isa. Pero positive, kaya nandito tayo. Okay? And then, itong run or the denominator, ang run ay isa lang din. Isa lang. And si run ay positive. Therefore, pakanan ka. Okay? Kapag negative yan, pakaliwa ka tatakbo. Okay? So, dahil positive, dito tayo. From dito, run tayo ng isa. Eto. Therefore, nandito yung isa nating point. Okay? Then by that, what are we going to do is to graph na. Or, ito-drawing na natin yung line. Now, ano sa tingin nyo? Ito. Is it dotted line or broken line? So, sa properties na binigay ko kanina, kapag ang inequality ay less than or greater than, siya ay dotted line or broken line. Tama? Ibig sabihin, hindi kasali lahat ng point na meron dito. Wait, ito-drawing na lang natin. Yan. Broken line yan. So, we have a broken line. Broken line or dotted line. Now, diba sabi kanina, hinahati daw into two halves ang isang linear inequality. Okay? So, dahil, diba sabi ko kanina, ano yung isi-shade nyo? So, maalin dito sa half na to or half na to, from dito sa boundary line, yun yung solution set. Paano nyo malalaman kung alin doon yung solution sets? We have less than in here. So, less than means, saan kayo mag-shade? Pababa or pataas? From dito ha, pababa or pataas? Of course, pababa kasi meron tayong less than. Hindi na natin susundin tong kanina, no? Kasi nag-divide tayo into negative. Okay? So, pababa. Therefore, isa-shade nyo ito. Yan, shade nyo lang yan. Okay. Then, there we have it. Nakapag-graph na kayo ng linear inequality. Now, paano malalaman kung tama ang ginawa nyo? Okay, ganito mga bunso. I-test natin siya sa center. Si 0, 0. Itong center ay nadaanan ni broken line. Okay? Therefore, sabi kanina, di ba, dapat lahat ng madadaanan nito ay hindi kasali sa solution set kasi siya ay broken line. So, gamitan natin siya sa 0, 0, 0, 0. Etong 0, 0 or ordered pair, x and y yan. So, kunin natin yung y less than x. So, di ba ang ating y ay 0 is less than to 0? Is it true or false? That is false. Therefore, tama kayo. Kasi, nag-graph nyo siya as broken line and yung 0, 0 ay hindi talaga solution set nitong linear inequality na to kasi false siya. So, kuha tayo dito sa part na to. So, pwede natin gamitin itong point na to. Kuha tayo. Itong point na to. 2 tsaka negative 1. So, 2 and negative 1. Ang x and y. Kuhanin lang ulit natin yung y is less than x. Ang y natin ay negative 1. It is less than x. Is it true or false? True. Therefore, lahat dito natin siya kinuha sa naka-shaded region. Therefore, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, kapag naman titingnan nyo, kung talagang tama, kuha kayo dito sa walang shade. Dapat ito ay mag-false. Okay? Lahat ng walang shade, mag-false. Lahat ng mga points na nandito or ordered pairs na nandito, dapat ay true. Kuha tayo dito. Pwede natin kunin itong point na to. Itong negative 1 tsaka positive 1. Negative 1 and positive 1. Okay, kunin lang ulit natin yung y less than x. Ang ating y dito ay 1. Ito. So, kunin natin yan. Less than negative 1. Is it true or false? Of course, 1 is less than negative 1. That is false. Therefore, nakuha natin yung tamang graphing, and tamang solutions. Ganun lang kasimple, mga bunso. Okay, now take a look at our example number 2, mga bunso. We have here, wait lang. Number 2 na. X plus 2y is greater than 6. Okay, so para madali para sa inyo, kunin nyo muna yung mga properties. This is greater than. Therefore, it is a broken line. Broken line yung gagamitin natin dyan, di ba? Kasi pagka greater than or less than, broken line yon. Kapag ka greater than or equal or less than or equal, solid line yon. Okay? So, ito ay broken line. And then, since ito ay greater than, therefore, ang ating shade ay shade above. Above the broken line. Okay? So, meron na kayong pagsisimulan ng pagdo-drawing later. Okay, ngayon, isolve nyo naman siya by getting the points or the ordered pair na kailangan natin para dito. Gamitin ulit natin si slope-intercept form or y is equal to mx plus b. So, kailangan maiwan lang dito si 2y. So, etong y, you have 2y in here. And then, transpose x. Si x dito ay positive. Magiging negative siya sa kabila. So, we have negative x. And then, si 6i, automatic plus 6 na lang yan. Kasi we have mx plus b or negative 1, automatic may 1 yan kasi wala siya kasamang numerical coefficient. So, x plus 6 yan. Negative x plus 6. And then, itong y, since ito ay meron pang kasamang 2, what are we going to do is to eliminate 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So, divide natin by 2. Lahat yan, i-divide natin by 2. And then, cancel. Okay, y na lang ang natira. And then, we have negative dahil hindi naman natin madi-divide si negative 1 kay 2. Ayan, so negative x over 2 na yan. Plus 6 divided by 2 is of course 3. Okay? And therefore, we have y is equal to negative x over 2 plus 3. And dito na natin masisimulan yung pagkuha ng mga point na kailangan natin enable for us to graph it in here. Okay? So, we have our m or the slope or para magamit natin yung rise over run. Since ito ay negative, x, therefore, we have negative 1. Okay? Negative 1 over 2. Okay? Di ba yan yung rise over run? Okay? And then, our y-intercept is 3. So, we have our ordered pair. Di ba? Meron tayong ordered pair. Sabi dito, si 3 ay y-intercept. Etong y. Therefore, dito mo siya ilalagay. Okay? And then, ang x natin, automatic, dahil wala naman tayong kinuhang x, of course, 0 yan. Okay? Then, right after that, i-graph nyo muna itong y-intercept natin from 0. 0, dito siya sa center. Kunin natin yung blue marker. Ayan. 0. From dito, of course, y is positive 3. So, nasan yung positive 3? 1, 2, 3. So, nandito yung ating graph. First, ordered pair, 0 and 3, okay? So, ngayon, from dito, we have here rise as negative 1. Rise, ibig sabihin taas or baba. Kapag negative, pababa. So, therefore, dahil dyan ay isa laang, baba lang tayo pa isa. Okay, bumaba ka dito. From dito sa y-intercept, baba ng isa. So, nandito na tayo. Run ay positive 2, therefore, pakanan ka. Kaya ka pababa dito kasi negative tong numerator ha. Ito naman ay positive 2. So, paran, right. Okay? So, we have 1, 2. Therefore, nandito yung isang mong point. And that is, ang ordered pair na niyan is positive 2 and positive 2. 2 and 2. Okay? So, right after that, i-drawing nyo na or i-graph nyo na using your ruler. Since we have greater than, of course, that is broken line. So, lagyan natin siya ng broken line. Ito. Kailangan tama lang siya sa point na kinuha nyo kanina. So, broken yan. Dapat ito lang yung broken ha, hindi kayo. Sorry. Okay, yan. Broken yan. Okay. So, anong sabi? Anong sabi natin? Shade above. Bakit siya above? Kasi siya ay greater than. And baka napansin nyo, hindi tayo nag-flip dito ng less than ha. Kasi wala naman tayong dinivide sa negative value. Positive yung dinivide natin, no? So, hindi natin kailangan mag-flip ng inequality sign. Okay? So, shade above. Therefore, dito ka mag-shade. Ayan. Papunta yan dyan. Lahat ng solution na papunta sa taas, mula sa boundary line which is broken, ay solution set nitong inequality na to. Okay? So, paano natin siya malalaman kung talagang solution set nga ba talaga siya? Kuhanin natin yung 0, 0 test or the center test. Itong 0, 0 ay walang shade. Wala siya. Hindi siya kasali sa na-shadean. Ito lang yung may shades itong taas, no? Therefore, kapag ginamit natin yung 0, 0, dapat siya ay false. Kasi wala dito yung shade. Pero kung nandito yung shade, or nadaanan siya nitong ating shaded region, magiging true yun. Pero ito ay false dapat. So, try natin kung false nga siya. Kunin lang natin si x plus 2y greater than 6. So, 0, 0 ang ordered pair natin. 0, 0. Ayan. So, ang ating x and y. X is 0. Isa-substitute nyo lang lahat ng value sa ordered pair na tinry nyo, okay? Plus 2 times 0 is greater than 6. So, 0 plus 2 times 0, that is 0. Is it true or false? 0 is greater than 6. True or false? False. Therefore, tama yung nagawa natin na graph. Okay? Ngayon, kuha naman tayo dito sa shaded region. Kuha tayo ng isa. Positive 1 and positive 4. So, nandito yung point niyan, ordered pair. So, kunin natin 1 and 4. Okay? That is x and y. And then, i-substitute lang natin ulit siya dito sa formula na x plus 2y is greater than 6. Our x is 1. Ayan. Plus 2 times 4 because of our y. And that is greater than 6. Okay? 1 plus 2 times 4 is 8 is 9. Greater than 6. Is it true or false? Is 9 greater than 6? Yes, that is true. Therefore, tama na lahat ng solution na nandito sa shaded region ay correct. And tama yung nakuha nating solution, tama din yung nakuha nating graph. Ganun lang kasimple mga bunso. Okay, so moving on to our example number 3. Ayan, medyo nakakalito talaga yung ganito klase ng lesson, pero ginagawa natin yung best natin mga bunso para mas maintindihan nyo siya. Okay, so we have here y is less than or equal to x minus 5. Okay, and then what are we going to do is to convert this into the slope-intercept form. Pero kung napapansin nyo, parehas na sila. Pwede lang natin siyang gawing y is equal to 2x minus 5. And parehong-pareho na. Therefore, hindi na natin siya kailangan pang isolve. Tama? Ganyan na siya. Kunin na natin yung... Okay, anong purpose? Bakit ba natin ginagawang ganito? Para maging kagaya siya ng slope-intercept form and makapag-graph tayo ng ordered pair na kailangan natin. Mahanap natin yung mga point na kailangan natin to draw the line. Okay? To draw the boundary line. Okay? Pero ang automatic na ginagamit talaga natin dyan ay ito. Especially when it comes to checking. Itong inequality. Okay? So, we have y is equal to 2x minus 5. Our m is of course 2. Ayan. 2. Di ba we have rise over run? Dapat fraction yan. Dahil wala itong denominator, automatic 2 over 1 yan. Okay? And then our y-intercept, our b, is negative 5. Negative 5. Therefore, we have 0 and negative 5. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple mga bunso kapag automatic na nandito na siya sa form na to. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-solve ng madami. Kagaya kanina sa mga nauna kong examples, no? So, yan. Then, let's graph it na. Okay? So, 0 and negative 5. Ang ating 0 ay nandito. Since negative 5 is y. Nasaan ba ang ating y-intercept? Ito yan, y. X. Tama? Negative 5. So, ang negative 5 natin is ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, nandito ka. Ito yung first ordered pair mo. Ayan, nasa baba. Ito. Wait lang. Hindi nyo masyadong kita. Ito siya mga bunso. Yan. And then our rise over run, positive 2, therefore pataas tayo ng 2 beses. So from dito, akyat ka 1, 2. Okay, so therefore nandito ka na. Ayan, nandito ka na. And then our run is positive 1. Therefore takbo ka pa right ng isa kasi positive yan. So dito. Therefore nandito yung isa mong ordered pair. Ayan. We have 0 and negative 5, and of course, positive 1 and negative 3. Okay? And then, right after that, of course, i-graph nyo na siya. Since ito ay less than or equal, therefore, we have a solid line. Bakit solid line? Therefore, itong mga nakuha nating dati, itong nakuha nating ordered pair, kasali sila sa solution set. No? Kasi solid line yan. Ito yung mga kanina ay broken line. Lahat ng nakuha nating ordered pair doon na nasa linya, hindi sila kasali sa solution set or magiging false sila. Ito mga to, pag ginamit natin later sa dito, or kapag ginamit nyo, pwede nyo siyang i-check sa inyo, is dapat magiging true. Okay, so solid line, therefore, we have a straight line. Just a straight line. Okay, so, yan, ganyan lang so. Yan, we have a solid line. Okay, then, dahil ito ay less than or equal, therefore, we have to shade below. Below or pababa. Bakit? Kasi, this is less than. No, so, pababa. So, from that, shade nyo lang siya ng ganyan. Okay. Okay. Pagpasensya niyo yung pag-shade ko. Ang pangit ng shade ko. Pero okay lang yan. So, pababa yan. And then, let's try to check kung tama ba yung mga nakuha nating solution set. Okay. Y is less than or equal to x minus 5. I-test natin si 0, 0. Dapat maging false to kasi hindi naka-shade itong ating center. So, i-test natin siya. 0, 0. So, we have y as 0, less than or equal 2 times 0 minus 5. Isa-substitute nyo lang mga bunso. Dapat alam nyo na itong mga ordered pair natin, that is x and y. Okay? Para alam nyo kung sinong ilalagay nyo sa x and y. Okay? Para alam nyo. Okay? And then, of course, solve 0 minus 5, that is negative 5. So, we have 0 is less than or equal to negative 5. Is it true or false? Is 0 less than or equal to negative 5? Of course, this is false kasi 0 is greater than to negative numbers. Okay? So, false. Di tama. Kasi walang shade dito yung ating 0, 0. Now, try naman natin gamitin itong 1 and negative 3. Yung nakuha nating ordered pair. 1 and negative 3. Para mapatunayan natin na yung solid line ay solution set nila. So, ilagay natin to, di ba? We have x and y. Substitute lang again. We have y, so negative 3 yan. Less than or equal to times x is 1 minus 5. So, we have negative 3, less than or equal. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 5. Negative 3 less than or equal. 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3. Is negative 3 less than or equal negative 3? Yes, of course, kasi meron tayong set as less than or equal. And since they are equal, therefore, this is true. And tama na lahat na kasali si solid line o yung point na meron kay solid line sa solution set. Okay? Kuha naman tayo dito sa may shaded region. Dito tayo kumuha. So, pwede natin gamitin itong 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 4, tsaka negative 1. Nandito, itong point na to. 4 and negative 1. So, we have 4 and negative 1, okay? X is 4, y is negative 1. Substitute ulit the value. Y is negative 1, less than or equal. 2 times positive 4 minus 5. Negative 1, less than or equal. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 5 is of course 3. Is negative 1 less than or equal to positive 3? Yes, of course, this is true. Therefore, lahat ng solution or ordered pair na nandito ay solution set ni linear inequality. Okay, ganun lang kasimple mga bunso. So, I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Medyo mahaba tong video na to and hindi ko na nagawa yung example number 4. Abangan nyo na lang yan sa aking TikTok account kasi doon ko na lang siya gagawin. Tsaka sa aking Facebook page mga bunso. Ayun, maraming salamat and I hope na mas naintindihan nyo kung paano ba mag-graph ng linear inequalities and mas malinawan kayo all about linear inequalities into variables. Thank you so much everyone and always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, this is me, Mariel. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. Bye-bye. See you on my next video.